Okay, real talk. Does your outdoor space feel fine? Like not bad, but also not somewhere you'd actually choose to hang out? Yeah, I get it. Here's the thing though. Modern outdoor design isn't about buying loads of stuff or spending a fortune. It's about doing a few strategic things really well. So today I'm walking you through 10 quick modern DIY projects that'll completely transform your outdoor space. We're talking clean lines, simple materials, and absolutely zero overcomplication. The first four, they create the biggest visual impact immediately. And the last one, honestly, it's my favorite because it's the move most people never think to do, but it ties everything together. Let's dive in. Project 1, Modern Zone Definition with Gravel. Blunt steppers. So here's the secret to modern gardens. They don't just blend everything together. They define spaces with intention. And this project does exactly that. What you need, weed membrane, trust me on this, light-colored gravel, think pale gray or cream, large square or rectangular stepping stones. Here's how it works. Pick an area. Could be where you want seating, could be a walkway. Doesn't matter. Lay down your weed membrane. This stops everything getting messy later. Pour your gravel. Light colors work best for that modern minimalist vibe. Now place those stepping stones, evenly spaced, nice and deliberate. And just like that, you've created structure, contrast, and intention. No digging, no permanent commitment, just instant modern feel. Quick question for you. If you did this project, would you use it as a walkway or create a seating zone? I'm curious what your space needs. Drop it below. Project 2, Statement Plant in a Minimalist Container. This is probably the easiest way to add drama to your space. One plant, one container, maximum impact. Here's what you do. Choose a plant with serious presence. Think architectural, maybe a Japanese maple, a tall ornamental grass, a sculptural succulent, or even a dramatic fern. Now put it in a minimalist planter, matte black concrete finish, or a neutral stone color. Place it strategically near your entry against a wall in a corner that needs life. Modern design isn't about having loads of plants everywhere. It's about fewer plants with stronger shapes. This one move can literally upgrade your entire outdoor space. I did this with a single Japanese maple in a charcoal planter, and people thought I'd hired a designer. I hadn't. I just put one decent plant in the right spot. Project 3, Hidden Solar Lighting, the modern way. All right, forget those obvious solar stake lights that scream, I bought these at the garden center. We're doing this differently. The approach, use low-profile solar lights, the kind you can actually hide. Place them behind things, behind plants, walls, planters. Not in front where you see the fixture. Aim the light across surfaces, not directly at people's faces. Modern lighting isn't about brightness, it's about creating mood. You want shadow, depth, atmosphere, not a spotlight situation. At night, this completely transforms everything you've just built. It goes from nice garden to wait, who designed this? Pro tip I learned the hard way. Test the light placement during the day first, because adjusting solar lights in the dark when you can't see where the beam's actually going is not fun. Project 4, DIY Wood Slat Privacy Screen. Clean lines, instant privacy, extremely modern. What you need, evenly spaced wooden slats, framed to mount them, could be simple posts, stain or paint in a neutral tone, black, dark gray, or natural wood. The build, mount your slats vertically with consistent spacing between them. This is key. Keep those gaps even. You can stain them, paint them, or leave them natural depending on your vibe. This works as so many things, a backdrop for plants, a divider between zones, privacy from neighbors, or just a pure design feature, modern, functional, and honestly pretty fast to put together. I've seen people do this in an afternoon and completely change how their patio feels. Project 5. Floating bench or low seating. Modern seating is low, simple, and uncluttered. No massive, bulky furniture, just clean, usable space. Super simple build. Use concrete blocks or wall brackets as your base. Add a thick wood plank on top. Make sure it's outdoor treated. Finish with some outdoor cushions if you want comfort. That's it. Floating bench done. It looks intentional, it's sturdy, and it doesn't dominate the space the way traditional garden furniture does. Plus, you can customize the length to exactly what your space needs. Too many commercial benches are either too big or too small. This way you control it. Honest question. Do you prefer the raw industrial look with visible concrete blocks, or would you hide the base? I'm genuinely split on this. Project 6, Monochrome Plant Palette. This is one of the fastest ways to make your garden look professionally designed. And it's not even building something, it's just making a smart choice. The strategy? Pick one color family and stick to it. Could be all greens. Different textures, different shades, but all green. Could be silvers and grays, lavender, lamb's ear, eucalyptus, dusty miller. Could be dark, dramatic foliage, black mondo grass, burgundy heuchera, dark sedums. Why this works, repeating color creates instant visual cohesion. Your eye isn't jumping all over the place trying to process a rainbow. It looks curated, it looks intentional. And honestly, it makes plant shopping easier because you've given yourself clear parameters. I went all in on silvery greens in one area, and people constantly ask who did my landscaping. Nobody. I just picked plants in the same color story. Project 7, DIY concrete accent pieces. Modern spaces absolutely love concrete, and you can make small accent pieces yourself pretty easily. What to make? Small planters, decorative trays, little stools or side tables. The process: use simple molds. Even cardboard boxes work. Mix concrete according to package directions. Pour, let cure, demold. Keep shapes simple. Clean edges. No fussy details. Leave the finish raw. That's the whole point. These pieces add visual weight and balance to your space. They ground things. They make everything feel more substantial and considered. And honestly, there's something satisfying about having something you literally made from concrete in your garden. Project 8. Vertical green panel. When you're short on floor space, go vertical. The setup. Mount a grid or panel system to your wall or fence. Add minimal pots. Keep them uniform. Keep spacing even. Plant with intention, not overcrowded. This is perfect for patios, balconies, small courtyards, anywhere you need green but don't have ground space. Modern vertical gardens aren't those overflowing messy walls of plants. They're structured, they're clean, they're deliberate. Think gallery wall, but with plants. Quick one, what would you grow on a vertical panel? Herbs for cooking, succulents for low maintenance, or flowering plants for color? Tell me in the comments. Project 9. Simple water feature, no pond. Modern water features aren't complicated ponds with koi and waterfalls. They're quiet, contained, and minimal. Dead simple version, use a shallow bowl or basin. Could be concrete, ceramic, metal. Add a small solar pump. Keep it minimal. No fountains shooting water everywhere. Just gentle movement. Why bother? Sound. Movement. Instant calm. Water adds a sensory element that completely changes how your space feels. It's soothing without being loud. And a solar pump means no wiring, no electrician, no drama. I've got one on my patio and the gentle water sound drowns out traffic noise. Game changer. Project 10. Remove one thing. Okay, this is the most modern move of all, and it costs nothing. Here's what you do. Look at your outdoor space right now. Identify one thing that doesn't fit. Could be a random ornament, a piece of furniture that's not working, a planter that's seen better days, clutter that's accumulated. Remove it. Just get rid of it. Let the breathing room do the work. Modern design absolutely values negative space. Empty space isn't wasted space. It's intentional space. Less really is more. I removed 3 things from my patio last month and it instantly looked twice as expensive. I didn't add anything. I subtracted. So here's my challenge. What's the one thing you could remove from your outdoor space right now? Be ruthless. Tell me in the comments. Closing all right? Here's the truth. You don't need to do all 10 of these. Pick one. Just one. Finish it today or this weekend. Modern outdoor spaces aren't built with clutter and chaos. They're built with intention and restraint. Before you go, drop the project number you're starting with in the comments. I want to see what resonates with people. If this inspired you, hit that like button. Helps other people find these ideas. And subscribe if you want more clean, modern outdoor DIY every single week. No fluff, no overcomplication, just projects that actually work. I'll see you in the next one. Now go create something minimal and magnificent.